Hi guys, today we are at the chicken shop for AFTV's Chicken Shop Challenge. I, Marty, am up against Matty from Magpie TV. It's going to be full of volcano hot sauce, I am sure, asking questions, and we are going to show you behind the scenes. It's going to be a blast, it's going to be fun.
What do you mean?
Joel tried something with it, but it's just not. It's not great.
What do you mean?
Actually, no. Well, maybe get the pink, but
Right, when you can, Marty.
Yeah.
Pop this bad boy on, please.
Excuse me. Can I get some Korean glazing, please?
yeah, that one bangs. It's not actually there.
Look at that background, yeah? Do you know what it is yet?
Even do the takeaway. So guys, please check out the full video on AFTV on Thursday the 15th of May, when I believe it is being released, and you can see me eating plenty of hot sauce.